What's up, YouTube? It's been a long minute since I posted a video. It's been very busy lately, but today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be working on my truck, and I just ordered some LED headlights off of Amazon, because everybody know whoever drives an old truck at nighttime, you can't see nothing out of it, and that was my #1 thing I wanted to start first. So that's what we about to do today. Stay tuned with the video. This is how it looks right now, and they're not in that bad of a shape. You just absolutely can't see nothing out of them. So I can't wait to put the new ones in. I'm finna go ahead and open up the package and show you exactly how they shipped it out. So I'm on a very short time span at the moment. Right now I'm on my lunch break. But these headlights do come with a low beam, a high beam, and a turn signal. But the only thing I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna be hooking up the headlights, and I'm not gonna worry about the turn signal at the moment. And when I do decide to hook the turn signal up, I'm gonna make another video. This little bar down here is where the turn signal will be. It should be an amber colored. But just for the meantime, I'm gonna be using the headlight. For anyone who hasn't changed the headlight bulb on an old school Chevrolet, it's very simple. It's 4 Phillips head screws on each corner. And once you take them 4 screws out, the headlight comes out forward. So the connector that goes into the bulb, the only thing it do is pops off and pops on. So what I'm gonna do is put a little dielectric grease where the prongs meet, so it's a lot easier to take off next time. This is the difference in the daylight. And tonight when it gets a little darker, I'm gonna show you how bright it is at night. But yeah, this is the difference in them two. So I completely forgot that I also ordered some LED bulbs for the front turn signals, and they just showed up. I'm gonna put one side in and show you the difference. So these are the LED bulbs. They should be part number 2357. Them are going to take the place of the little turn signals right there. For the turn signal, it's very simple. You take out these 2 screws right here, and you'll pull it forward and it'll slide out. And you're gonna grab this, push it in, and twist it to pop them out. So I just found out the hard way. If you go to get LED for your turn signals, they cannot have no type of lip right here because it won't sit further enough to touch the terminals. So yeah, these are no good for this type of truck. All right, so now that the turn signals didn't work, what I'm about to do is just go ahead and swap out my other headlight. So tonight when it's dark, I can show y'all how it looks. This is the very final product, and I absolutely love the way they look. I can't wait to see the difference at nighttime. I'm gonna keep y'all updated and let you know. This is the way the lights look from my point of view, and I am very happy with the lights. I would give them a 9 out of 10, but I am very happy with them. This is how they look at nighttime, and I'm very happy with it. They're super bright, and I would recommend y'all to get some too.